بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, my name is Razik Muhammad. I am very much excited to welcome you all to my YouTube channel, The I3 Journey. The three I's here stand for Islam, Iman, and Ihsan. The vision of this channel is to correct and increase our Islam, Iman, and Ihsan through the lights of the Quran and Hadith. So, inshallah, I will start with explaining the full Quran part by part for some time, and then we'll get into the world of the Hadith in future. This is something I have been wanted to do for a very long time of my life. Alhamdulillah, I thank Allah for allowing me to begin with. I will try my best to share only authentic information. You all might have guessed by now that it will be a kind of series of Quranic tafsir. I also know that there are many scholars have already given explanations and written tafsirs of the Quran. Even I will also be referring to some of them. So, what I am going to explain in my own style is not completely new to guys, but this will be my small effort to contribute to the vast knowledge that our great scholars have passed down, and also to help others understand the Quran in the way I have come to understand from my own experience and also by the trusted resources. Of course, I am a human being, so if you find any mistakes, please feel free to correct me in the comments. I sincerely ask your support and patience. I hope we can all walk together on this beautiful journey of knowledge, wisdom, and reflection. Inshallah, as long as Allah wills. If you think or feel it will be helpful for someone else in your circle, please share it with them. Also, stay tuned for the next session. May Allah guide us all and accept our all the efforts. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum.